Liu Haocun is a Chinese actress. She made her acting debut in Zhang Yimou's drama film On Second and has since gone on to appear in various films such as A Little Red Flower and Cliff Walkers. Liu was born on May 20, 1998 in Tonghua, Jilin Province. She studied high school attached to the Beijing Dance Academy and graduated from high school in 2016. In May 2016, she was admitted to the Beijing Dance Academy for college, where she received first place in the art test at the folk dance department. On 2021, Liu was cast alongside Jackie Chan in the movie Ride 1. In February 2022, she starred in the romantic action movie Only Fools Rush In alongside Liu Haocun, which was directed by Han Han. In July 2021, Liu Haocun became the brand ambassador of Louis Vuitton. On October 2021, she won the Asian Film Award for Best Newcomer and the Best Young Actress Award in the New Generation Unit at the 8th Wenrong TV Awards for her role of the movie 1 Second. On the same year, she starred in Zhang Yimou's historical spy thriller film Cliff Walkers, which set in the Imperial Japanese puppet state of Manchukuo in the 1930s before the eruption of World War II. On 25 January 2021, she won the 2020 Baidu Entertainment Best New Film Award. In February 2021, she participated in the Spring Festival Gala, where she sang songs Send the Night and You Are a Little Red Flower. On the same month, she won the 2020 China Screen Billboard Annual Newcomer Actor Award, sponsored by the film magazine China Screen. During her sophomore year in 2017, she officially signed a contract with Zhang Yimou Studio. In May 2016, she passed 3 rounds of auditions and was cast as a heroine in Zhang's 2020 movie 1 Second, and then entered the preparatory group to start acting training. At first, Zhang had the idea of casting her in his 2018 movie Shadow, but due to the adjustment of the script, she was not cast. In December 2020, she played the role of an optimistic girl suffering from cancer in the movie A Little Red Flower. She won accolades for her performance in 1 Second and A Little Red Flower.